Good morning guys, welcome to motovlog number 43. Today is Saturday, not a Sunday. It's not a typical Sunday morning ride. I'm on my way to Ducati Narayana
for the V Ride as One Ride by Ducati.
So this is one of the most iconic and major rides ever planned by Ducati. On 4th of May, which is today, all Ducatistas, Ducati Owners Club, and everybody who owns a Ducati are going to get together all over the world in their respective time zones on 4th of May and ride together. So this is one of the biggest group rides ever planned in the world, that everybody all around the globe rides together as one. So I'm on my way there. I'm going to meet up with Pankaj, aka Pops, and his son Kuber. Just met up with Pankaj, Pops and Kuber. Now we are moving on to Ducati Narayana, where we group up with the entire lot and then we start a ride. Our flag off is from Ducati Narayana, and the idea is that the ride plan is we're going to go to Dwarka Expressway, get off from the expressway at Rajiv Chowk, and then ride to the Oberoi's Gurgaon. That's where everybody gets together and have breakfast, and we get to meet the entire group. So that's the plan for today, guys. Exciting. Looking forward. Riding the Diavel after a very long time. Bike had gone for servicing, and then after it came back from servicing, the battery died on me. So just got the battery replaced last night, and I'm back on the saddle. Alright, see you. So we've reached Ducati Narayana. Practically everybody's already here. Sachkal sir, kya haal hai sir? How are you, dog? Okay. सर क्या हाल है सर?
फर्स्ट क्लास।
बहुत देर होगी सर।
हाँ यार, मैं यूरोप कॉस्टेड मी लॉट यार। आपकी गोल्ड विंग चली गई यार।
अच्छा नहीं
साला पिछली बार गया था तो प्रभाकर ने दे दी, पिछली बार आया तो पता चला गोल्ड
नहीं। सर लास्ट संडे मिस्ड यू सर। So finally Ducati NSA, we've all got together. Now we're going to move on to the Oberoi's. We're going to start the ride first and then head to the Oberoi's. I've met quite a few people today. Doc's behind me, Ducati dog, but so the guy's there. Everyone's here. It's good, it's going to be fun. So all set now, everybody's leaving for the ride. We're pushing off now. It's a massive, big group, huge group, big one, lot of people, lot of riders today. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. So there's Pankaj and Kuber. Finally the traffic started moving. Oh man, sweating bullets right now. It's so friggin' hot. It's a little overcast with the temperatures. These things aren't showing the temperature right now, but I think the temperature should be at least 38, 39 degrees right now. And all geared up, man. This is excruciatingly hot. Anyway, all for the ride. this is terrible. We're stuck in the jam again. This seems to be God-forsaken, really long jam. I don't know if the mobile's picking up my voice, but I'm also recording on the GoPro. We've reached the pit stop on the Dwarka Expressway. A lot of people not going ahead, just want to move now, but that traffic jam was a big put off. So hoping that everybody kind of refreshes quickly and then we move on to the Oberoi's for breakfast. That's Zoe and that's Dock ahead. I missed Dock actually. And we almost at the Oberoi's. So Bhupi, Amit and I have left the Oberoi's. We're done with breakfast, we're done with the event. It was very well organized by Ducati NSA, Ducati Delhi, Sanjeev, Monty, the torchbearers of Ducati. Great job, very well organized. We just got stuck in that traffic, which wasn't anybody's fault. It just so happened. That was only downside to the entire thing, but luckily the weather's warm, but the breeze is nice and cool. So in spite of being 10:30 right now, it doesn't feel as hot till you're moving. It's only when you stop you really start feeling the heat. Anyway, heading back home now. It was fun. We Riders 1 has come to an end for us. I guess this will happen again next year, God willing. Happens every year. So it's come to an end. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for watching as always. The motovlog shall continue. The riding shall continue. Have a good day, week, month. Have a good life. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.